In this video, I will show you an easy way to lock apps on Samsung One UI 7. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So, to lock apps on Samsung One UI 7, you don't have to do much. Just follow this simple step that I'm going to show you. Watch, listen, and understand carefully. First, open the Play Store. Then at the bottom, press on the search icon and search for App Lock. After searching, don't make the mistake of leaving the video. This is just the beginning. There are still many settings to do. Here, you'll see many apps. You can use any one of them. For example, I want to install this app, so press on it. Then, install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. Then on this page, press the Start button at the bottom. Now you need to create a pattern, then confirm it again. On the next page, you can enter any email for password recovery. The app itself will recommend it. After entering your email, press Finish. But the work is not done yet. Next, you'll see a page where you need to select the apps you want to lock. When you press on Apps, you might get a permission required pop-up. Just give the permission. Then go ahead and select apps one by one. Now, when you try to open the app you lock, it will ask you for a password. So this is how you can lock apps on Samsung One UI 7. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.